This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can record slow motion videos on this device. So to start, obviously you'll need to enter the fly interface, make sure that everything is switched on, linked, and what's not. Now, enable the video mode by tapping at the icon on top of the shutter button, select video, and here, go for the slow motion. Now simply start your slow motion recording, and that's about it. You can also adjust the video recording parameters here if you will switch the camera mode from automatic to pro, and do other minor adjustments as desired. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.